But to have this ongoing great relationship between the state of North Carolina and Australia is just fantastic. And I do want to recognize one more time a good friend of mine, a good Greenville guy, a great entrepreneur, because that's what makes our country great. Our people have the courage to start up companies and they're investors. And they're the ones who really create government. We didn't create any of those 200,000 new jobs. We hopefully are creating an environment which helps the private sector create these jobs. But I want to recognize him one more time, and that's Phil Hodges and his investment team. Phil, please stand up. And some of the investors also who put their money, stand up. These guys, they did it. You know, had they not had the vision, if Phil had not had the vision and the investors the courage to put their hard-earned capital down on this investment, today would not be happening. And you know, it's the first round of investors and the entrepreneur that impresses me more than anyone else. And I just want to again recognize them, because this was a homegrown company that another company saw some great potential to continue to grow. And that's exactly what we're doing today. We're continuing to grow an already great company. In fact, they're going to be creating 100 new jobs, up to about 460 new jobs for Greenville, for this great county, for this great region. And that's continued great news for North Carolina. In fact, I was talking to the chairman in the conference room just a few minutes ago. We think there is a synergy being created during the last decade, and it continues to grow. A synergy of research. We're kind of with the drug companies and research, we're becoming the Silicon Valley between Greenville and the Raleigh-Durham area on research. And we're doing it because, first of all, there's no better quality of life than this area of the country and this area of the state. And second, we've got talent. And we've got the universities and the community college to support that talent. And I'm also pleased to report that we signed a budget to commit, I think, about $8 million a year to the Brody School of Medicine, which we think will be very beneficial also to this area. And I'd like to thank many of the people in this area that helped us. So the Brody School of Medicine is also very important to bring that talent to companies like this, and we're very, very proud. You know, this company is Mayne Pharma is creating 110 jobs in Pitt County over the coming 5 years. And they're jobs that pay well, and they're jobs that require talent and innovation and a good work ethic. And there's no work ethic that's second to none right here in Pitt County. The company is also investing $65 million in a new oral dose manufacturing facility. And this continues to be this administration goals, is to have a bias toward recruiting those companies that make things, that build things, that grow things, that they innovate things. We cannot live off the service industry alone. We've got to also make things and build things and innovate things and produce things. And that's exactly what Pitt County is doing with this company.